What if I told you the most powerful message you can send is silence? Not a text, not a call, not even a dramatic "I'm done" moment, but just your absence. Not out of manipulation, but because you're finally done begging to be understood by someone who never deserved to misunderstand you in the first place. This is the cold hard truth of no contact. And if you stick around, I'll show you why it's the only way to reclaim your power after betrayal. When she pulled away, when the mask came off and you saw who she really was, you probably felt like fighting for it. Like you needed to explain, to fix it, to get closure. But here's the brutal truth. Closure is something you give yourself, because the moment you go chasing it from someone who broke you, you lose the game. No contact isn't a tactic, it's a turning point. The moment you stop trying to convince her of your worth and start living like a man who knows it. She doesn't miss your absence, she misses your energy, the way you made her feel. That doesn't disappear with time. It disappears when you glow up in silence. The version of you who needed her, he's gone. And the version of you who doesn't, that's who haunts her mind. You ever wonder why she watches your stories but doesn't reach out? Why she posts thirst traps right after you stop texting? She wants your energy back, without giving you the respect that should have come with it. But you don't chase breadcrumbs anymore, you're building the whole damn bakery. Here's what actually happens with no contact broken down. Weeks 1 and 2, relief. She feels in control, she posts with her girls, she laughs, she pretends nothing's wrong. But it's an act. Weeks 3 and 4, curiosity. Why haven't you reached out? Has he moved on? She starts checking your stories, accidentally likes your old pics. Suddenly, she's thinking more than she expected to. Day 30 and beyond, regret. This is when it hits. She hears a song, a place she used to go, and the silence isn't peaceful anymore. It's deafening. But the real question is, will you still be there when she does? Most guys mess this up right here. They reach out just as they're being missed. Why? Because they feel lonely. Because she posted a pic with a new guy? Because they're still emotionally hooked? And that resets the whole timeline. She gets her dopamine hit, she knows you're still orbiting her world, game over. No contact only works if you hold the line. She will come back when you stop caring if she does. And when she does, she'll come back to a man who isn't even interested anymore. That's power, that's growth. No contact isn't just about her missing you, it's about you breaking your addiction to her. You got hooked on the highs and lows, the texts, the drama, the attention. Your brain linked to her, to dopamine. That's why it hurts so bad. That's why it feels like you're dying when you finally block her. But once that chemical bond fades and you stay on your purpose, you don't just get over her. You become someone she'll never even recognize again. She's not scared of silence. She's scared of your evolution without her. You hit the gym, you change your style, you start walking into rooms different. Eyes up, your presence is sharp, she sees it, she feels it, and she doesn't know how to reach the new version of you because he doesn't need her anymore. Look, I know it's hard, but the most masculine move you can make is to stop proving, stop begging, stop explaining, and just become. Let her feel what life is like without your love. Let her watch you transform. Let her regret losing the man she could have had but never appreciated. No contact isn't weakness. It's the decision to walk away from disrespect and never look back.